Step 1 was the PowerPoint showing you how to take your measurements accurately. And step 2 is calculating and recording your measurements. If you look at the sheet that's attached, you can print it off and then record your measurements. Please ignore this bit for now. The main point you want to focus on are these measurements, and I'll just run through them again quickly and how to record them. Then you'll record them in inches in this column. The first measurement we have is the shoulder, and as shown in the diagram in the previous PowerPoint, and if you look here, the shoulder points are literally from shoulder to shoulder, not from the edge of your armhole this way. So this is the first measurement. The next one is the chest measurement. If you take the tape measure from your back under your arms, the best way is to lift your arms up, and if you see, you take it across to the widest point, and it should move freely, that it's not tight fitting but not too loose either, because you will have seam allowance at the end. That's for a comfortable fit. The next is the waist, which is here, and as follow the previous PowerPoint how to find your midpoint, your waist. Ignore this for now. Again, these measurements that you record here should be full measurements, not half. I'll take the sheet off to show some of the measurements I've recorded. So for example, the shoulder is 14 across, and that's all you need to write, 14. Then the chest all the way, the full measurement. And for the hips as well, again, as demonstrated in the PowerPoint, it's taking the tape measure round to the widest part, and again you need your complete measurement for this. The next step is your shirt length, which should be taken from this point of your shoulder, from your neck, down to wherever you'd like. The pattern you'll be making can be used for a kameez, a shirt, or a blouse. You can adapt the same pattern to make lots of different things. After you've taken the waist and hip and chest measurements, you record those. The next measurement required is shoulder to waist. The reason why we take this measurement is so that you can draft on your pattern where you'll make your fitting line for your waist. The next measurement after that is shoulder to hip. You'll need some help for this one to take the tape measure exactly from your neck point down your back again to the midpoint of your hips. So that measurement is called shoulder to hip. After that, you take your full sleeve measurement, which is from here right to here, wherever your desired length, and then you can do half sleeve wherever you require, and 3/4 is around here, which is usually between 16 to 18, 16, 17 or 18. The next measurement is bicep, which is, I've shown here, is this part around here, and this will allow you to help you to make your sleeve pattern. And the cuff is taken from here, again all the way around, and then we'll calculate the armhole. Now that you've recorded all your full measurements, then follow the calculations here. If there's no calculations written in this box, you literally just take those measurements and copy them across. Now for these calculations, for example, the shoulder is always divided by 2, and then you record that here. The chest, waist and hip measurement are all divided by 4, then you record those. And to get the bottom of the shirt width length, you just take the hip measurement divided by 4 and add it to 1. The final calculation is for the armhole. That's this bit here, all the way around. In order to get the armhole measurement, you simply take the shoulder measurement divided by 2 plus the chest measurement divided by 4. So that would be 7 plus 9.5, which gives you a total of 16.5. You divide it by 2, as shown here, and then you get a total of 8.25. And that's your armhole measurement.